Just pulled up to Garagistic. There's Matt over there. Woo. All right, let's go inside, see what's up. What am I looking at? I don't even know. My seatbelt's already undone. Oh boy. Whew. It's always nice seeing this. All right, so they're going to the track on Friday, and he's taking his E46. This is Matt. And what did you do to your car?
Basically, we kind of escalated the build really bit quickly. It was supposed to be like a shop runner, and that's what it was for like the last 4 years, just neglected and stuff. But you know, we ended up actually just, you know, we documented a bunch of our new E46 reinforcements and E46 poly bushings and stuff like that. So we ended up buying Aid at King's Auto Body, his old Moton coilovers for his race car. We ended up mounting them here temporarily, kind of get some testing, we'll make some brackets.
Jeez,
so
what
we ended up doing that. Welded on the subframe reinforcements, E46 tend to tear.
Damn.
Pulley, rear bushings, finned diff cover. What else? We got our new adjustable camber arms on here.
Damn.
Yep.
What?
It's gonna be crazy. Anyway, he's got the solid shifters on this one, Mishimoto radiator. It's gonna be cool. It's a little overkill for a shop runner now, but whatever. We're gonna go there and just have some fun with it. Hell, it could be a great camera car.
Yeah,
you know, someone hanging out
true.
the back of it, Top Gear style.
Yeah.
You know.
Man, it's funny how like people always say it's like, oh, this will be like the daily, you know, and then it ends up turning into a race car.
You know, it's like, yeah, that's always how it is. But like, I managed to keep it stock for 4 years though. You know, just
wow.
you know,
yeah, that's not bad.
Having, you know, doing subframes and powder coat runs and all that stuff. So it's been good. And then whenever we do like, you know, lemons or a 24-hour endurance race or something like that, it becomes my hotel. You know, just lay it out. You know, it's super practical when it has the interior in it. Just lay out.
That's so sick.
Yeah, it's fun, dude. I love this car. It's fantastic. So
sick.
We'll see. We just gotta get some smaller wheels. Right now it's got the 19s. For
yeah, these are.
That street swagger stuff.
Dang.
So.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like the kids say, mad flossing, yo. So. But yeah, I think I got some E34 M5 wheels, so the light 5-spoke ones. All right, we'll put them on there and see. I think the offset might be kind of weird, but.
I think it looks sick.
Well, yeah, it would look sick. It's super light too, super cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'd be really cool. But yeah, it should be good, especially, you know, solid shifter and everything. It's super different now.
Different. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we'll get some dope footage of it on Friday.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Let's go check out
I know, matter of fact, it's gonna end up with the LS or fucking K series.
Oh god.
Something one time. We can't seem to keep anything stock around here. You know? But yeah, we got the kswap building too.
Yeah, let's go check that out.
Okay.
All right. So this is the K24 swap. Obviously no motor yet, and it's Tuesday, and they need it running by Friday.
Yeah, no pressure, right? We got this.
Yeah.
We got the motor. We got the motor mounts, oil pan. Made a billet oil pan. We're just gonna make, you know, a couple adjustments to the trans adapter. But we got the DSSR on there. We got the solid mount shifter. Got the exhaust. I mean, we're doing a super budget on like 2-3 days and no sleep. But we're even trying to make it to like a stock M20 exhaust for right now. Just get it done. Like that's what we can get done like now, like today. So yeah, huge crunch timeline, but it'll make for a good video.
Yeah,
you
definitely.
know, get it all kind of like worked out, the bugs and stuff like that. We got enough subframes and stuff laying around here. We could probably just throw something together. We're not really worried about the E30 side of stuff. We're like trying to figure out like the Honda side of stuff.
Yeah.
We're, you know, trying to figure that out. But it should be pretty potent, you know. Should be pretty potent.
Oh,
got the harness today, the standalone Hondata, the different injectors, S2000 intake manifold.
What?
Yeah.
That's a thing?
Oh yeah, that's how you can get it to face. You got to face this thing the right way. I mean, that's the whole problem with this motor. Like it's facing the wrong way, or the right way, depending on how you look at it. You know. But we basically had to put it sideways, which meant like the oiling situation is all in the different spot.
Oh,
the intake manifold facing the wrong way. I mean, it was a mission, but we got it, and we got even prototype. You know, this thing came off the machine actually just yesterday, just rough, you know, rear coolant block, because you know even the rear coolant block faces the wrong way. So yeah, a lot of work in this thing, but when it's done, it should be sick. I mean, if we can package it, we can. I mean, if we can get it to work in this car, we can get it to work in the E36, E46, the 190. We can get it to fit in a lot of stuff. So we're trying to like make it like pretty modular, because that's how we're gonna be able to bring down the price on like the trans adapter. You know, because if it fits like 4 or 5 chassis, okay, great. We can buy the material in bulk, we can machine it in bulk, and then we can pass on the savings. You know, otherwise, I mean, it's just a big piece of material. You know, like literally like cost just in in materials is up there.
Yeah.
But you know, we do everything house, so you know, get it done. You know, no pressure, only a couple days.
I'm excited to see this thing rip, man.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, I think it'll be really good too, especially with the new skid plate, the new aero mods. So
Oh yeah, the new
really
splitter.
Cool. Yep, it'll be really functional. But we're just trying to be like, you know what, let's just get the car in there and running. If it's putting around Friday, whatever, made it, you know, good enough, you know.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
It should be really sick, really sick. Especially a track with momentum like that, big willow, it might be kind of cool. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
Cool, yeah. They are killing things out here at Garagistic. They are producing a bunch of new parts, making these swaps possible for DIYers like me. So definitely check out all their parts. They're always constantly coming out with new stuff for all different types of chassis. We're actually planning on making some 2002 parts using my 2002 as like a template, hopefully in the near future. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do some more filming in there. I'll try to show you guys a little bit more around the shop for things that I actually can show you. But yeah,